B is for bat, you used to play. Hit the ball and run away. A is for aim, swing just right. T is for team, cheer with delight. B, batter up. A, all in place. T, take your base. Let's spell it out. Come sing with me. We know the word B-A-T. Tingle. B-A-T. B. Swing or fly, it's fun, you'll see.